This video is going to show you how to take a screenshot of a part of the screen in Windows 11 and then put that into a Google document. So I've got a map showing up on the screen from maps.google.com, and then what I'll do is I'll press the Windows key, the Shift key, and that letter S, so all three keys at the same time. And then I got a little menu at the top of the screen, so I can do a little rectangle and draw that out. I can do it a regular shape, I can do a window snip, or I can do the full screen snip. So I'm just going to do a little rectangular shape. I'll click the mouse button, hold it down while I drag an area. And I'll drag maybe a little bit bigger than what I need. I'll let go of it. And when I let go of it, it'll take that area and put it on the clipboard for me. Then what I'll do is I'll switch to Google. And I've got a word processing document right here. And then I'll paste it. So I'll do either Control V or just from the drop-down menu, like now, choose Paste. And there it is. Maybe I want to adjust this a little bit after it's in Google. I can do that pretty easily. I can right-click on it, or just click down with two fingers, and click on Crop Image. And when I crop image, I get these black marks around the picture. I can drag them, so I'll drag it to make it a little bit smaller. And then I can click. And that'll crop the image. And then if I want to magnify it again, I'll click on it once and grab one of these blue boxes and just drag them as I grab them. There we go. And I can make it a little bit bigger.